friends! If you're new here, hi, my name is Jemma, and if you're not new here, hello, my name is Jemma, and welcome back. Oh my goodness, did I just turn into like some sort of interior decorator? Look at this lovely background that I have with me. Oh my goodness, those angles, that color, the fairy lights. Let's just ignore this one right here in the corner that's not working. The fairy lights. Hello, we are here today, and me and my emerald green lipstick are here to introduce you to another Lolita dress unboxing. Are you sick of them yet? I hope not, because I sure am not, and I have a lot more coming, so just you wait. Just you wait. Just you wait. Today we are unboxing British Bear by Angelic Pretty. I got the OP in the green colorway, hence the green lipstick. British Bear was on my dream dress kind of wish list for a while. This one wasn't super rare. I found it eventually. I've wanted it for I don't know, a few months, 4 months or something, and I found it secondhand on Lace Market. We'll see what it looks like. We'll see if I have lipstick on my thingies this episode. It usually gets on there eventually, so just you wait. Here is the box. It's a pretty lightweight package, but I guess it's a dress, so I don't know. I also got some socks. The socks are from a different seller. I didn't get the matching socks, but I have some socks that kind of match, whose name I don't necessarily remember. I think it's like Marching Toy something. I don't know, so we'll open that next and hopefully they work together. If not, that's okay. I'm just gonna tell myself that it's okay, even though it's not. You just gotta pretend. This time I get to open the box with scissors. Ha ha ha. Snip, snip. I think we're finally open. Let's find out. Oh, yay! They put in an Angelic Pretty bag. Sips water just to make sure nothing got in water. Am I right, boys? All right. Hopefully it's the right thing. Do. Is it the right thing? Yes. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, the bow's on top. Okay, here we are. Here's the head bow. It came with a matching head bow. Has like a little gem thingy, a little Jemma. Yay! I think that's actually kind of cute. I like it. Here is the dress. Woo. We have an ivory square collar. There's like a little ribbon, and this one is detachable. It's navy and maroon, and the print is dark green, and it's got some navies and it's got some maroons. It has some family crest, but it's like the Angelic Pretty family crest. And of course, just like the name, there are bears at the bottom, and there's British flags, and then you also have little smaller bears, and then these thingies which look like coins. The bears are really cute. One of them looks like a little drummer. Oh, that's so adorable. I also really love the polka dot lace that's around the collar, and you have the waist ties, and it also is finished off with some emerald lace. The gold trim around the collar and at the end of the waist ties and the sleeves and stuff. It's just cute. And then at the bottom you have some dark green lace, and the lace has little crowns on it. Now let's go ahead and open the socks and hope that it sort of matches. Just a little corn. Boop. Aww, they put little stickers inside. That's a cat face. Sticker haul time. So I got this cat sticker, cats, and I got this cactus sticker, cat. And then this looks like a little cheesecake. That's so cute. You didn't have to, but thank you. And these are the socks that I got. I forgot exactly what they're called. I got it because, I thought that they would match. They have, they have a kind of gold details, navy and green and maroon, and they're knee high, and there's even a little rosette. Yeah, and there's a moon and stars. I really hope I don't have the same shoulder problem as with Candy Carol, but honestly, it's looking kind of grim. I think I probably will have the same shoulder problem. So I guess there's only one way to find out. So I will go ahead and find out right now. Smack. Alright guys, so I have the dress on. I now realize why I love sack dresses so much, or like dresses with super high waists, because I can move my arms. I can move my arms, I can move my arms. That's my favorite thing to move. That's my favorite thing to move. So it has like a super high waist. That's like the end of my tatas. When I move my arms, it just slips flawlessly right up. But yeah, so I have full range of movement. So that is a plus, 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 a plus. The buttons are super cute on the sleeves. They're like academic buttons with crests on them. It's comfortable. The lace never itchy, never hurts my arm. Some laces or like sequins will like cut up my arms. I'm red for the whole day. All my limbs are just like lobster limbs. But yeah, no, super comfortable, super cute. And I have the socks on as well. Let me just tell you, the socks are very small. But at least I know that because that they are small, they are going to stay up as I'm pulling a sock up. But yeah, this is kind of exactly how I imagined it. Yeah, it's just exactly how I thought it was, and it's cute, and I am not disappointed. All right, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you have a good life. I hope that you keep on smiling. Maybe I'll see you in my newest video and or content. That would be incredible. Would love to see your cute face again. That could have been creepy. I apologize.
You knew it.
But yeah, definitely follow my Instagram if you haven't already, because it's free. But yeah, maybe I'll see you over there. If not, screw you. No. All right. Bye. Fun fact, my toes kind of look like hands. Nope. Oh, dance, dance, dance.